you've ever been confused by retinol percentages, liposomes, or how strong is too strong, Seoul 1988 have basically built in a step-by-step retinol wardrobe, if you like. So we've got 2%, 4% and 12%. Retinol being closer than retinol to the natural vitamin A in our bodies. So the liposome strengths in each of these, so 2%, 4%, 12%, which is what I've got in my arms, are the delivery systems. So 2% is for beginners. It would gently ease you into retinol. 4% is for, this one's an eye cream, so the next step up. Surprisingly, this orbital bone here is where you apply it, and it can actually take a stronger liposome than the serum, which is the 2%, and this is a 4%. This one is 12% for advanced. So you need to know what you're doing with this. Take very, very small amounts, and we'll see what it looks like and how it feels on the skin in a bit. For beginners, people with sensitive skin, and basically the first step in your retinol journey. The texture of this one is kind of gel cream, very light to touch. Wow, that glides incredibly easy. Almost like a thicker, milky toner. There's such a thing. This is the one. So basically, this is entry level retinol, 2%, very, very gentle on the skin. It contains black ginseng, which is known to be good for your skin barrier, plus it's an antioxidant support for your skin. As a beginner, 2 or 3 times a week in the evenings before bed. Give it lots of chance to do its magic. So this is the retinol eye cream. It's 4%. It has fermented bean. So the reason that the eyes can take a stronger formulation, such as this is 4%, rather than thicker pieces of thicker parts of your the rest of your skin, is because the eyelids are uniquely designed to absorb active ingredients efficiently while minimizing irritation. Liposomes act as a gentle bioidentical carrier that penetrates deeply rather than irritating the surface. Feels amazing. Beautiful, so easy to use. So basically that was 3 rice grain amounts and 1 up here, and between the 4 of them just go round your orbital bone and you will get it into the right area. So this is definitely not for beginners. I'm still a beginner. However, for the purposes of this video, I will show you what this looks like. I'll put the tiniest amount on, and any sensation that I get, I will remove it straight away. So it's got that gorgeous Seoul 1988 colour, and tiniest little amount off the end. So I've got that on there for that side. Remember, I'm still a beginner, so this is just for the purposes of the video. Once again, the same texture, gentle, glides along the skin, really, really nice. So I have seen that you can mix it with a moisturiser so that it's not so potent on its own like that, which would actually be perfect, because you would want to put on a full, especially in the evening, a full moisturiser. So I'll put here a little list of how I think you should use each one. So for beginners, cleanse your face with your favourite cleanser, 2% serum, the 4% eye cream, moisturise with your favourite moisturiser 2 or 3 times a week. Intermediate, cleanse with your favourite cleanser, 2% serum, 4% eye cream, advanced shot 1 or 2 nights a week. Advanced user. Cleanse with your favourite cleanser. 2% serum. 4% eye cream. Advanced shot. Now these two, you're already on to maybe 3 or 4 times a week as an advanced user. This one, still as an advanced user, once or twice a week. And then use a barrier moisturiser. Give me a shout if you're using them already. Use my code at YesStyle if you want to try them out yourself. But that was a very quick run through the strengths and when you should use them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.